Hey, welcome to your Tech Tip Thursday. I just wanted to share some tips for you for Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this class. This is my technology and study skills class. And I'm going to click over to classwork, which is where I have everything nice and neat and organized. I have emojis that I've used to organize everything. I wanted to point out to you this settings feature. So I'm going to go to settings. So I did that quickly and didn't talk about what I was doing. That is your little gear up here at the top right next to what I always call the waffle, even though it's got dots and not squares in here. But if you click on that, it brings up the class details, which is lots and lots of stuff, right? We scroll down below class details and we can do some general setting things, like manage your invite codes, which I leave on. The all important one, the stream. I like to change this setting so that only teachers can comment because really honestly, my students don't need to use the stream at all. I like to hide notifications here. So if I click here, it hides notifications. That means that every time I change an assignment, it's not going to be posted to the stream. And that's really important because students can get confused. I mean, our classwork is all already there in Google Classroom. So if I modify or change something or add something, I don't always want students to go back and do it if they don't need to do it. So I like to change that so that it hides the notifications. I like to leave my meeting link on, and then depending on the class, I decide about the grading. A lot of my classes are kind of a hybrid where I use Apex and Google Classroom together. On those, I don't show the overall grade to students, but on technology skills, I do let it show the overall grade because this is their entire class and everything's on here. So whatever their grade is in this grade book actually is their grade. So if I press save, it's going to save all those features. And in the future, when I make changes to this classroom, it's not going to send out a bunch of emails to students. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I'll see you next week on Thursday for another tech tip. Bye.